Olive Garden tastes like shit. I'm sorry, but that is fucking disgusting. First of all, Chicken Alfredo is fucking nasty. Let's be honest. It's pasta, mayonnaise, casserole, dude. Like, every, like, white saucy thing that comes out of your body just is shitty. Pus.
It's a Fushigi.
It floats, it levitates, it will confuse the senses.
What'd you really think about Shazam?
I wanted to like it. It was trying to be Deadpool. It did everything Deadpool did, but with like kids. The new idea was that the kid has to learn how to use the powers.
It's big, but with superpowers.
Yeah, they even had that piano scene. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.
Comment.
Like.
Send
Comments.
your attaboys.